Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Tunnel VPN, a powerful and versatile VPN solution that offers fast servers, multiple protocol support, and unlimited secure browsing. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device, such as Chrome or your preferred browser. In the search bar, type UDP Custom Website and press Enter. From the search results, tap on the official UED Custom website to land on its homepage. Once you're on the homepage, locate and tap the menu icon. A list of menu options will appear. From this list, select Free VPN to proceed to the VPN section. On the VPN page, you'll see various VPN options available. Look for Tunnel VPN and tap on it to begin the download process. Next, tap the Install button to start downloading the application. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient while the download and installation complete. Once Tunnel VPN is successfully installed, you'll see an Open button. Tap it to launch the VPN application. Upon launching, you'll be redirected to the Tunnel VPN home screen. The app may ask you to allow notifications. You can choose to allow or cancel this based on your preference. Now, on the home screen, ensure you have an active internet connection to load the VPN servers. Once the servers are updated, the VPN will restart automatically. Please wait a few seconds for this process to complete. Let me explain the VPN interface. Tunnel VPN has two main sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing protocols. To select a server, tap on the server section. You'll see a list of servers from different locations. Choose any server you prefer. You can change this anytime based on your needs. After selecting your server, it's time to choose a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button to view a list of different tweaks with built-in protocols. Scroll through the list and select any protocol that works best for your connection. If you prefer using custom settings instead of the built-in tweaks, you can do that too. Simply tap the radio button next to the Custom Settings label, usually located in the top right corner. A new window will open, allowing you to select from various protocols like SlowDN, V2M, SL settings, and others. Note that some protocols require custom servers, while others work with built-in servers. Choose the method that suits you best, whether built-in or custom settings. Once you've configured your settings, return to the home screen. You'll see a large Start button. Tap it to connect to the VPN. The connection should be established within a few seconds. If you want to share this VPN connection with other devices or your computer, tap on the side menu, then select Tethering. Turn on the Settings button to enable connection sharing. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy secure, unlimited browsing with Tunnel VPN. This VPN offers fast servers, multiple protocol options, and the flexibility to customize your connection settings for optimum performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more tech guides.